Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Milani Goat here. Today I'm going to show you guys how I get my edges to be on fleek, girl. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I get my edges from this to what you see, and I'm going to use the EBIN New York edge control. It's the extra mega hold, and I'm going to use the GOT2B glue. This is really popular on Instagram, on YouTube, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, so I'm starting off with my edges looking all cool. I'm going to take my spray bottle and I'm just going to spray my hair first. I do this so that it doesn't have as much white residues, and then I take my EBIN New York edge control on this side. I love this edge control. I seriously feel like this edge control is one of the best edge controls I've ever tried in my life. This stuff makes your natural freaking edges look like it's relaxed. Like, this stuff sleeks your hair back, and it doesn't leave much white residues. I know it kind of looks white on camera, but I promise in real life, once you scarf this down, it just has this natural shine to it, and it doesn't look flaky, and it doesn't leave any residues on your hair. I just really love this stuff. Alright, so what I do is I brush my edges back first. Can you see the waves, y'all? Like, oh my god. Can you see the waves right now? Anyways, so I'm gonna take my the toothbrush, and I'm gonna use that to create a little bit of baby hairs. I really don't like exaggerated baby hairs, so I'm always careful not to go overboard with it. So I'm gonna take that, and I'm gonna just brush out some of the hairs and just do a little swoop. So I'm gonna do the little swoop. And then you guys can see how this is actually another tutorial on how I do baby hair. So yeah, I just do little baby hairs. I don't like anything exaggerated. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is my natural freaking hair. My hair is so coarse, and my edges will never stay down for anything, but this stuff literally sleeks my hair down. Anyways, so that's it for that side. You can see the difference. Oh my gosh, yeah. Anyway, so now I'm gonna take my GOT2B glue. And the GOT2B glue, as you can see, I applied a little bit of the water, the spray bottle, but you can see it kind of looks white, like it applies white on my hair. But let's just see how this goes. Okay, so I'm gonna take the brush. As usual, I'm gonna brush the hair back. As you can see, you can actually see the white flakes, the white residues on the hair, even though I applied water before I applied the GOT2B. So yeah, a lot of people use GOT2B. I think GOT2B is better if you are wearing a wig and you are trying to apply the lace front on your hair, or the frontal. I think in that situation, GOT2B is a better glue to use, or gel to use. But in terms of laying the edges, I prefer the EBIN New York. The GOT2B is not as, it doesn't hold my hair as well as the EBIN New York does, honestly, because I really have coarse 4C hair. So if your hair is like mine, especially the edges, I have really tough edges that won't stay back for nothing. The EBIN New York does a better job than the GOT2B. The EBIN New York does not leave the white residues. It sleeks it down. As you can see, the GOT2B side, and you can see the EBIN New York edge control side. I kept having to go back in to touch up the side that I used the GOT2B on, because it just kept, like, you can see, guys, it's literally looking so white and flaky. If you guys have any suggestions as to how I could make the GOT2B look a little bit better, please let me know. To be honest, I really prefer the EBIN New York, and the EBIN New York was about $6.99 from the beauty supply store. I think the GOT2B, honestly, I really have no idea. When if I find how much it is, I will let you guys know. So as always, I just put my scarf on it. I prefer the EBIN New York side, although the GOT2B side is not looking too bad once you scarf it down, and the scarf kind of takes away the residues. So that's it, guys. That's how I get my edges, my coarse edges, to lay flat. using both methods. I used the GOT2B for the longest time because that was what was popular. And then I just went to my beauty supply store and I came across the EBIN New York, and I'm like, what? Why haven't I heard anything about this? This is literally the best thing ever. It literally sleeks my hair back. I love the way it just holds everything, and it makes it look so natural and make my edges look, you know, phenomenal. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. As always, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and also, guys, hit the notifications button so that you're informed whenever I post a video. As always, I love you guys so much. Thank you for the love, support, comments, feedback, and I'll see you in my next video.